welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Diva-Me-Please, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I have those swatches coming to you today. Make sure you stay and watch the entire video just so that you know what these Biutee glow in the dark polygels look like. So I'll also cure them for you and show you how they look in the dark as well. These colors are fire, so that you guys are not gonna want to miss that. And if you haven't, make sure you check out my last video of the Marquette Luxe monthly subscription box. Make sure you check that out and let me know what you think of those products that came in that monthly subscription box. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I will be starting with the blue glow in the dark color. I used the blue before, so that's why it is running out. I have not used this, well, I think I have used this pink before, maybe once. That blue, I liked a lot, so I used that a few times. The pink come out and here is the purple. They come out looking like really spring colors. Pretty. And this is a rose red. I don't think I've used this color at all yet. So this is probably a really full tube. That comes out really, really dark than that other pink that we have. That gives me like a bubblegum color vibes. And then last is the green. I've used this before as well. Gotta work that up. So this is all of the colors. Now let's go ahead and cure them. Look at those colors. So I normally cure them for 60 seconds. When I'm working on a client, I flash cure it for about 30 to 45 seconds just so that I am able to move on to the next finger. And then when I'm done with all 5 fingers, I put them into the nail lamp for 60 seconds, sometimes 90 seconds, depending on the design that I did. Now that they are all cured, let's take them in the dark and see how they look. Guys, so this is what the colors look like fresh out of the LED lamp. So from left to right, you have that blue, and then you have that pink. In the middle, you have purple. And to the second from right is that rose pink. And then last, you have green. These colors are too fun. Alright, so that is going to wrap up today's video. Swatches of the Biutee Glow in the Dark Polygel colors. Make sure you guys stay tuned to see what the next swatch video will be. Should I do acrylic? And if so, acrylic, what brand acrylic do you want to see? Or should I do a polygel? And if so, what polygel brand would you like to see next? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below of if you would like to see acrylic or polygel next, and make sure you guys are also following me on Instagram and Facebook at DivaMePlz so that you are all caught up on the nail sets that I'm doing. And you know I'm in Orlando now, so moving forward I will be having Orlando clients on the channel. I just have to get my name out there, guys, so stay tuned for that. Consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Fridays. We have more swatch videos coming to you. All right, guys, next time, see ya.